girlies, I haven't vlogged in a long ass time, but we are currently at Tulles and I'm super excited. We came here last year and literally shit myself. So excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Apparently they've got 2 new mazes, I guess. One is a pirate, which I don't think it's going to be that scary, but apparently it's a 9 on the scare factor scale. But our favourite last year, oh my god, I forgot there's people that come out of these things.
Where? No, oh my god. I don't like it already.
They come out of the holes in the wall. I don't even know where we're walking to, but I'll show you when we get there. Hi to all the brandos that are going to go out the window from this bit. Oh, so apparently this year Tulles is 10 times scarier than last year, and last year was pretty freaking scary. The chainsaw one, I think it's called Chop Shop. If you ever watched Saffron's vlog from that, oh my god. So without audio, this is going to look absolutely hilarious, but this is Saf's vlog from last year when we went to Tulles. If you guys want to go watch that, then I'll leave it in the link in the description. It is the funniest thing. Anyway, back to this year at Tulles. But this is actually Josh and Ella's first time. Ella's just over there. It's actually their first time at Tulles. I don't think they're prepared.
Freya, how scared are you?
I actually love this. I live for this. I don't like roller coasters, but I really like being like thrilled. And this is gonna get my heart rate going. It's gonna be really fun and really exciting. If we're drunk, then cheers for the weekend, you know? Cheers.
Are you scared? Ella's never scared for anything, I feel like.
Hi, it's me again. So all of these clips are me screaming from a very low angle that's majority of the time out of focus, and yeah, I hope you enjoy that. So we're going on the hay bale ride. Poppy, yeah, Alfie Days' sister got licked on the net yesterday, so honey, I'm looking for some action.
Lick me, daddy.
Wow.
Wow, lick me, daddy.
Big boobs.
Big boobs. What?
Big boobs. I needed that bit of warmth, I'm not gonna lie. Ah! Hiya, love. I wanted to kiss me. Me on a night out.
Oh, save yourself. There's a storm coming.
Oh dear.
Oh my god, she said a storm is brewing.
It's in my eyes. Full of poses. A tissue. A tissue.
You are a naughty looking bunch of children, aren't you? But I like the naughty ones.
I'll say no I. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. No. Yay. Oh.
Oh
It's alright. Oh, bugger off.
Too slow.
Come on, encouragement. You can do it.
Come on.
Come on. You've got it. Just a few more.
She's not gonna do it.
No.
She's not out to say, Ashley.
Hi. Ooh. Bye. Yes. 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 I don't like it. I can't see anything. Me and Ella are at the front because we're not scared. Yeah, I'm shitting myself. Oh my god, what is this? What the hell? This is so cool. They can't touch my feet, can they? Oh my god. I don't know. No, this is so hard to walk. Jesus Christ.
The set design is phenomenal.
Freya! Oh, lovely.
Like she breaks. Burn. Bend. Break. Bend.
Burn, break and bend, right? Remember that, ladies? So we just went into the Coven of 13, or Coven 13, I'm not really too sure. The which one? I'm sure you guys know which one we're on about. Funny pun, didn't even mean to do that. Oh my god, they've changed the ending and also some of the beginning bit. What the hell? I obviously don't want to spoil it. If you're planning to go, then skip this from like 10 seconds. There's one bit at the very end, and you walk in, it's just like a room full of smoke and you can't even see anything. And it's like a circus, and they're all just stood there around each other and they're waiting for you to walk in. So we made the bold decision to just run for it, run straight through the thing. I'm so out of breath and I'm so warm, but it was literally like the best thing. Are you out of breath? Are you out of breath?
I'm literally so out of breath. I was so freezing earlier.
No, I don't like this one. I don't like this one. I am sat here absolutely wetting myself with this footage because you can't see shite all. You can just hear us all screaming. Oh my shit! shooting glass.
guys.
So we just went into the cottage. We did it last year. It wasn't my favourite just because I absolutely hate like dead children. So that one was really fun and it was so much better this year. Like the acting and everything was just double. Like it's so incredible. So now we're in the circus. Dr. Hayes' Museum of Curiosities. It's a circus performance and we've got front row. I don't know how this happened. We're so fit and I've never been this close to a stage in my life, which is weird because I had so many fangirl days. But I literally can touch it, look. Crazy times, guys, and I'm going to show you the whole performance.
Are you all excited?
Super excited.
Me too, I'm dripping. I've been asked to mention a couple here tonight celebrating their anniversary.
Aww.
So, there you go. Moving on.
Oh wow, is that a woman? Oh my god, there's that in the audience.
There we go. Come over here. So we go to the beautiful Ellen DeGenerate. And we come over
Oh,
here.
Anastasia, Anastasia.
We now need someone daft enough to sit on the electric chair. With your little fingertip, gently place your fingertip on the head of the Mongolian laughing boy. Very gently. There we go. Oh, yes, it's real, isn't it? Yes. Go on, do it again. Do it again. Go on. Go on. There we go.
Anna's so peasy, she tried to...
Open the lab coat, please.
Oh no. I think I actually just saw his bollocks.
Okay, we're going to ask you to gently slide the bulbs into the ears of the Mongolian laughing boy.
No, they're going to turn on.
And when we do this, we will lose the lights and hopefully this dimwit here will illuminate us all. Over to you.
Stop it.
Into the ears, very gently. That's it. Firmly there. Oh yeah. Let's lose the lights. Give them a round.
What the fuck?
Thank you very much.
Is that allowed? Hello, can you go? What? No. What the hell? Oh, hello. So it's coming to the end of the night, darlings, and Josh wants to go on this.
I do. No one will come on with me.
This big fucker. Yeah, it's not my vibe, I'm not gonna lie.